Welcome back to my channel. Let's put on some skin on this baby. Not feline. I'm going to put wood on it and then I'm going to fiberglass it so you can see my wood. Okay. A lot of moving stuff around. Let's see. I'm not even sure what all y'all can see. It'd be better if I had a helper here. I'm gonna put some glue on the back of this panel. Then we'll put some glue on there, and nail it on, staple it on. Let's see what we got here. And right here, about 19. You could pre-measure this, but I was in a hurry and I didn't pre-measure and draw my lines. And sometimes when you're putting these panels on that are curved, you're most of the time you're going to have an issue with well, you'll see in a minute. I don't really know how to tell you, but you'll have to get it on there, and then let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, you have to get it partially on there and then just go up there and glue it on. Go up there and get it started. And it'll be kind of hanging out like this, and you have to go up there and get her started. This would be great if I had help, but I don't. May have to move it over a little bit. Move it over a little bit. It's difficult, but it can be done. There we go. Looking for a shorter screw. Some of my screws are a little bit too long for this application. I don't want them to go through and poke the inside. Yep, see what I did there? remove the panel. Bazinga! There we go. Like I said, if I had a hand, nobody's here. This would make it a lot easier, but I don't. I guess the whole point of this is so you can see that you can do it by yourself. Just because your kids don't live at home anymore, it's not a big deal. Yeah, I'm rooting around for more short screws. Take your time. Don't let it get on your nerves. You want to make sure and use the shorter screws so it doesn't go all the way through and penetrate the inside and damage up your paneling. Alright, once you get that there, then you can come on up a little bit. Oops. How much did I miss it by? Which direction? Ah. You want to make sure you had your coffee so you're not all jittery. It's not hard to let this get on your nerves. You get that tacked and you come down here and start getting on this. Now I got my clutch set. I don't want to strip out a screw, but I also want to make sure I can get that tightened up. Come here and take a look. You have a little bit of a gap there, but it's not a big deal. And then just do that and do the same thing with along the edge here, all the way up with the screws. And once you get it nice and tight, you can always take the screws loose and make some adjustments. And once you get done, come and run a router along here and cut that. Or I usually take a utility knife and cut it like that. So, and just follow it all the way on up. It's just really easy. Alright, take care. Hit that like and subscribe button. See you later.